one of the benefits of this program, it helps the company to take the student which have enough performance and enough experience in order to drive their own industrialization and the other companies.
It helps the employee to believe on me and to employ me. So if we get employment, so it will be advantage to me and my family also. This system also, it have some impact to my community. Like from when I get this knowledge, when I'm at home, I'm participating in some task of electrical, like when there is a problem of electrical short, maybe fault, or there's some electrical appliance is not working well, I take it and I fix it. So my community feel proud of me.
Due to this program of that, the student will able also to empower himself, because through their payment who got at the company as a salary, say when he got a salary, he improve his economic and improve others around the society.
Many of women, they don't like to study about the hard things like this, because for the woman to be an engineer, it's not an easy thing, because it needs to sacrifice yourself, but also to believe on yourself that you can. So for my side, I believe on myself, and when the society look me in a negative way, so they try to see me that I'm in a good way, and they can explain me like a superwoman, because I'm doing the job that people they are believing they are only men they can do so. So I feel proud of it, and I really appreciate this system.
The people from my company, they happy because the coordination or cooperation which I gave them, it helped me to improve their performance. And sometimes my supervisor told me, come there and try to train you some of things. So it helped me to be near with him, because through my brain what he needs. So he think when I put things over there in her brain, it will go higher. So it helped him to rise more and more, and also it helped him to improve our company or industry. Thank you.
What I see in my 5 years coming to me, it's I will be a good engineer. How? Because when I'm here, I'm experiencing a lot of things, and I'm learning a lot of things, like we are learning automation and electrical installation. And when I'm going at the industrial, I'm participating most of jobs that concerning electrical and mechanical. I'm participating both of them. So that makes me to see that I can improve myself to be a good engineer. And what I feel proud of myself, when people they look at me, they just asking themselves, why am I choose to be an electrical technician, and I'm a woman, how can I afford those tasks? But what I know, when they see my experience and my things that I do, some of girls, they get inspired from me. So that makes me to feel proud and to think that I'm in good choice.